I like big homes, and I cannot lie. And this one did not disappoint. Stick around. Hello, family. Welcome to the new channel. And when I was thinking about what would be the first video I put out on this channel, it was pretty simple. Again, I like big homes and I like empire communities. So the Bel Air Floor Plan is what I'm going to show you today. This Bel Air Floor Plan is ideal for large families. It is 5 bedrooms, over 4,000 square feet, has a huge kitchen island for entertaining, has a deck off of the living room that is covered. It is amazing. And there's a bonus room and the owner's suite, the bathroom. Stay to the end. You will not be disappointed. Come with me. Welcome to the first video of this channel, Living in the Carolinas by Sir Ashley, and let's tour the Bel Air Floor Plan by Empire Communities. Now, this motto is in the Enclave at Massey and Fort Mill, but you can get this motto in several of their communities right now and in their upcoming communities. Let's take a look. Now, before we go in, I want you to know what to expect. When you go in, you will see a 2-story foyer, which is absolutely beautiful. You will have a sitting area to your right, a dining room to your left, and then it opens up to the family room, kitchen, and breakfast area. But tucked away to the left of the home is a whole suite. There's an entire 5th bedroom suite with its own full bathroom. All right, now let's go inside. As we enter, here is that 2-story foyer that I told you about. Absolutely stunning. And when you come into an Empire home, whether it's a townhome or a single family home, you just know it by the finishes, the attention to detail, and just the quality of construction. Yes, it is a mass builder, but not all mass builders are created equal. Here's the living room, kitchen, eating area. Let's go out to the deck. Picture yourself and your family just sitting out, relaxing on this deck with that fireplace going. Absolutely amazing times. Gas cooktop with the built-in ovens. Now let's take a look at the guest bedroom wing on the first floor. There's also laundry down here. This is a laundry area. Here is the drop zone for when you come in from the garage. A half bathroom. Now we are headed into this guest suite. What I like about this guest suite is that it is entirely tucked away from all other bedrooms. Now let's get ready to head on upstairs. Real quick before we go upstairs, I am Sir Ashley. I'm a real estate agent and investor in North and South Carolina. And if you're looking to buy or sell or invest in the Carolinas or thinking about moving to the Carolinas, this is the channel for you, where I will be talking about all things Carolinas and giving you house tours. Now, I do have another channel, Real Estate Advisor Sir Ashley, where I'll be talking about money and real estate. If you like money or real estate, that is the channel for you. But if you're definitely interested in the Carolinas, you are in the right spot. Now, this upstairs, it is absolutely amazing. Now, when we get upstairs, we're not going to go into the owner's suite just yet. We're going to wait to the end to go to the owner's suite. So stick around for that. Now let's come with me. Now, as I said, we are going to bypass the owner's suite. We're going to pass the bedrooms and let's go look at this bonus room right here. This is an amazing family area. Entertain, have fun. You can just picture you and your family up here watching movies, playing games. An ideal space. And it can be messy. You can keep the downstairs looking spotless. And that could be a mess, but nobody would know about it. This is the first kids' room with a nice sized walk-in closet. Now we're going into the Jack and Jill bedrooms. All of these bedrooms are a good size. Headed into the Jack and Jill bathroom. Dual vanity sinks. Headed into the last secondary bedroom. Now, this is what we've been waiting for. The owner's suite. Look at the coffered ceilings. The finishes by Empire Communities is just top notch. Look at this closet. You have two sides, a huge closet. And now we're about to head in and look at the rest of the bathroom. Amazing finishes, amazing tile work. Just how intricate and detailed everything is absolutely beautiful. If you're interested in buying or selling right here in the Charlotte area or anywhere in North or South Carolina, my team and I can definitely help. Number is on the screen. I am Sir Ashley. We look forward to hearing from you and assisting you on your real estate journey. And thank you. Thank you for watching my first video on this new channel. There will be many more to come.